What's up, traders? Today, we're putting two of the hottest prop firm accounts head to head. Take Profit Trader and the LucidFlex account from Lucid Trading. Now, both of these accounts are making serious waves, but they have different approaches to how they manage risk and how they pay you out. So I'm going to focus on the things that actually matter to your success. We're going to talk about the drawdown types. We're going to talk about the daily loss limits. We're going to talk about consistency rules. And we're also going to talk about the payout rules. And as a huge bonus to you, if you stick around till the very end, I'm going to show you how I compare these firms by using my secret weapon. And don't worry, I'm going to give it to you for absolute free. So let's dive in. In Take Profit Trader, the test level is referred to as test. In the Lucid Trading account, it's referred to as the Lucid Trading or LucidFlex eval level. And this is the test level. This is the level where you're going to prove that you have a consistently profitable strategy. And the next level, which is sim funded, is called Pro in Take Profit Trader, and it's called Flex Funded in Lucid Trading. And that's the sim funded level. This is the level that you reach after you've done your evaluations, and this is the first level that you would be eligible to receive real cash payouts in. And then the last level is Pro Plus in Take Profit Trader or Live in Lucid Trading. And those both refer to the live funding level where we're going to be trading with the firm's capital itself. So there's two different types of drawdowns. We have the end of day and then we have the trailing. Now in the Lucid Trading and the Flex account over here, the evaluation account uses an end of day drawdown. So that's your test level. Then in the funded account, which is the sim funded level, we also use an end of day drawdown. And then the last one for the live also uses an end of day drawdown. So all of the Flex account, actually all the accounts at Lucid, but in the Flex account, all of the drawdown types are end of day, meaning that they're trailing the highest opening or the highest closing balance of your account. And then there's a major difference. Now, this is the one that we have to be careful about over here on Take Profit Trader, is that there's a whole different thing going on here. So at the test level, just like Lucid, we have the end of day drawdown. Perfect. But the difference now is that in the Pro account, after you pass the test and you move into sim funded, at the Pro account, the drawdown type, it changes to trailing. It turns into the trailing drawdown type. And it's really important to know that it's not like they're hiding it. They do tell you about this in the email when you go to activate your account and you've passed the test and everything. They send it to you and they let you know ahead of time that this is what's going to be happening. But if you're not paying attention or you're in a rush and a hurry, you might miss this. And what the thing is with this is that after you do the Pro account, and it takes either $5,000 or I think if you withdraw up to $5,000 or you make over $10,000 in a day, Take Profit Trader will move you up into the Pro Plus category. So you'll go into live and then the trailing drawdown is over and it goes back into the end of day drawdown. So if we look at this chart here, we can see that in Lucid Flex, all three accounts, all three levels, the evaluation, the funding, and the live stage, they all use end of day trailing drawdown. And then if we look over to the Take Profit Trader, we've got the test, the sim funded, and then the Pro Plus, which is the live. They use both test and Pro Plus use the end of day, but at the sim funded level at Pro, it uses the trailing drawdown. So we need to be aware of that. Okay, the next thing to think about is our consistency rules. Both Take Profit Trader and Lucid Trading have a 50% consistency rule at the test level. What that means is that you need a minimum of 2 days to pass your test. Really, it should probably be more like 3. I know that Lucid Trading has a little bit of wiggle room in. If you absolutely want to try to pass this in 2 days, you can. The next level is the Pro level, the sim funded level, and that is a 0% consistency rule. So neither Take Profit Trader nor Lucid Trading have any consistency rule once you get funded, and the same thing remains the same for live. So there's no consistency in sim funded, and there's no consistency rule in live. And you need a minimum of 2 or 3 days to pass either one of these accounts. The payout rules. So in Lucid Trading, in the Flex account, right, we've got the 90-10 profit split. You keep 90% of everything that you make at Lucid. There is no buffer requirement to take a payout in this particular account. So the payout requirements are as follows. You need to make 5 profitable trading days in the payout cycle, which is above $150 on a 50K account. So it varies depending on the size of the account. We typically compare the 50K accounts. So you need 5 profitable trading days above $150. Then you need a positive net profit for the cycle, which even a dollar counts. It doesn't matter as long as you have a little bit more money than the last time that you took a payout, it counts. And then we also have a minimum withdrawal, which is $500. And then the last thing, which is the maximum withdrawal per request. And that also varies by the account size. But for us, we're using the 50K. We'll say that there is a $2,000 max withdrawal for the 50K account. So then the other part about this is, and we need to look at these important notes that I took here. So there's no consistency rule on the funded accounts. You can make 100% of your profit in one massive day, and you can still withdraw up to 50% of it at the 90-10 split. Then you can also have up to 6 payouts from LucidFlex before you graduate into Lucid Live. Okay. What else do we have in this particular thing? There's $5,000 total cap on what you can take from a single LucidFlex account to a Lucid Live account. So when they transfer, anything that you have above $5,000 after your 6 payouts does get forfeited, which is an important thing to take note on. And then the payouts process at Lucid super quickly. They pay via ACH, they pay with PayPal or with Plaid. So there's a bunch of different options for that. Okay, and now let's take a look at Take Profit Traders payout rules. So the profit split is 80-20 on Pro accounts and 90-10 on Pro Plus. The buffer requirement is going to be equal to your maximum drawdown. So on a 50K account, that will be $2,000. That's the buffer you need to make. And then for the requirements, there's no minimum profitable days required once you reach the Pro level, which is sim funded or higher. There's no consistency rule in Pro or Pro Plus. You can withdraw multiple times per day once you're above the buffer. And there is no minimum withdrawal, but there is a $50 fee if you're withdrawing $250 or less. Okay, awesome. And the payouts process typically within 24 to 48 hours. There's the Plaid, PayPal, Wise, a bunch of different ways that you can get your money. So let's do a little comparison now on these payout rules. So at Take Profit Trader Pro, which is sim funded, remember, we can build the buffer first, we get an 80-20 split, and there's unlimited withdrawals, really. Now, the Take Profit Trader Pro Plus, if we move over to the live account, we are no buffer, but we go to a 90-10 split. Remember, there's no consistency rule. There's no consistency rule in either one of these levels. Let's look here at Lucid Trading. So we've got LucidFlex, Lucid Live. There's no buffer, though you do have to withdraw. It's 50% withdrawal cap, so that creates a buffer on its own, really. And then we have 90-10 from day one, from the first day that you're eligible to get payouts. It's a 90-10 split. And there's a 5 days of minimum profit based on your account size. And something else to consider, it's $500 minimum withdrawal. So that requires you making $1,000 in profit in order to take a payment. Okay, and then the next section is the daily loss limit. So at Take Profit Trader, there is no DLL in any account phase at all. And Pro, you do have that trailing drawdown. So it's almost like a hard breach DLL that will fail you if you hit it. So the test in the Pro accounts, they offer, the Pro Plus accounts, they offer true freedom because there's no daily loss limit and end of day drawdown, right? So at LucidFlex, we've got no daily loss limit at any phase. You're only bound by the end of day drawdown. That's the only time that you're going to have anything. So there's no daily loss limit. It's best for the traders who like to dig themselves out of a hole. If you are one of the traders that likes to come back, later on in the session, if you've drawn down like I do sometimes. So it offers you an opportunity to be able to recover by the close. So let's talk about some of the other key differences too. I was talking about the fact that I have this secret weapon, and you might be wondering, where am I getting all this information from between the website and going in all these different places and looking for the rules, right? And so the way that the sheet started was, as I started to become profitable in my futures trading, I started to look to leverage my capital by trading with the prop firms, of course. So there are so many prop firms out there, and they all have all these different rules. So I started doing this research and making this sheet to keep track of everything. point. And I figured that while I'm doing that, I could definitely share it with everyone else so that they can benefit from it as well. And the only thing I really ask from you is to subscribe to my channel, maybe hit the like button. And if you find anything on the sheet useful, if it's helpful for you, just go ahead and use my link on the sheet. There's discount codes down there as well. And that's the way that you can support me in this. It would be super helpful. Let's take a look at some of these differences together. If you jump over here on the sheet, you can take a look. See, for example, at Take Profit Trader here on the third level. They're ordered by the ranking that I give them. So all of these that are green are the top ranked firms that I deal with and that I have accounts with and relationships with, and I know have reputable business practices and that they pay the people out, that they are on the up and up with our community, which is really important to know, right? And as you scroll farther down, it goes into the blue area, which is the community trusted prop firms. And I just started making this sheet recently, so it's not like there's tons of prop firms on here yet, but we also have some other rankings too. We'll have a yellow ranking for firms that are relatively new, that are still building trust with the community, or that I don't have a personal relationship with. And then also red for people that are definitely scams. For example, the Prop Pit. This is definitely a scam. Do not use that prop firm. I don't care what that person says. That person is not ever to be trusted again. That's Scott from Fast Track Trading, and I will never trust him with anything ever again, nor would I ever recommend him to anyone who's trading. And that's why it's important to use a sheet like this, and you can gain from my experience and knowledge in the prop space and with futures trading in general. I've been at this for a long time, and I have relationships with many of these firms now, so I'm able to at least vouch for some people, but also steer you away from the ones that are going to hurt you. In any case, let's go back to this and take a look at Take Profit Trader. We have all these different bits of information that I've put on here. For example, what type of drawdown. So we have the end of day drawdown in test and in trailing, but in the pro accounts, it has the it has a trailing drawdown in the pro account, right? And then if we look at the top line here, which is LucidFlex, and we come over here, we can see that there's an end of day drawdown for 2,000. This gives me an easy way to compare these at a glance instead of having to go back through the whole video. Also, I have other parts of it as well, like the consistency rule. We've got what type of buffer we need, how many days it takes to pass, how many days it would take to go to your payout, what it costs to reset, some of the accounts, also some of the smaller rules. If you come way out here on the right hand side of it, we've got, does the firm allow DCA? Does the firm allow news trading or bots? There's different things that we can compare and look, because these two might not be the one for you. You might want to use something else. But in any case, this is the sheet, and I hope that it can help you. It's available in the description. All you have to do is go down there and click, and you can see all the different things that I've been looking at. And I'd be super grateful if you guys were able to use this in any way that can benefit you. That would be really great. Also, come join me on Discord. We've got a small community of traders over there. We're all supporting each other. We're talking to each other daily. I do updates on my swing trading portfolio there. We have levels, analysis. We also post, discounts in there for all the other prop firms as they're coming up as well. We're going to start doing giveaways soon. I'm not sure exactly when. I'm hoping to get them going in January. So I'm working hard on trying to make that happen. All that's going to be taking place in the Discord account. So if you're not a member yet, please jump down there, click on there, get into the free Discord while you can. And that'll be awesome. So we can do some giveaways, and happy to meet everybody. Also, well, I'm going to leave that video here for the LucidFlex accounts, which are the newest accounts from Lucid right now, so that you can take a look at that. I'll also leave another video up here that does a small review on Take Profit Trader, so you can look at that one if you're more interested in that as well. So I will talk to you guys on the next one. You stay calm and trade on.